Parmesan chicken, a family favorite made in a slow cooker. Details: prep time 10 cook time 5h total time 5h 10 total calorie 491 cals servings 6 ingredients 6 tablespoons butter 1 ounce packaged dry onion soup mix 1 cup converted long grain white rice 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese for topping 6 skinless, boneless chicken breasts 1.5 cups milk 2 10.75 ounce cans condensed cream of mushroom soup salt to taste ground black pepper to taste directions mix together onion soup mix, milk, cream of mushroom soup, and rice in a medium bowl. Lay chicken breasts in the bottom of a lightly greased slow cooker. Place 1 tablespoon margarine on each chicken breast and pour soup mixture over all. Season with salt and pepper to taste and sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. Cook on low for 8 to 10 hours, or on high for 4 to 6 hours. Please my channel subscribe.